Peace, how's everybody doing? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of HTC phone. Now HTC has been a company that's been around for a long time. Comment down below, I'm kind of interested to know who out there has owned a HTC device. Let me know what model it was, what year it was, where you were when you had the device. Those memories would be pretty cool if you leave them in the comment box down below. But HTC has come out with a new budget device, which is around $299. So I would say it's a mid-range device. With the chipset that it has, it's a Snapdragon 665, which is the same one that the Motorola G Stylus has. But you can see this is the HTC Desire 20 Pro, and I'm looking forward to check this out. Now, when I just got it in the mail, it was delivered. However, the box is already open. So I didn't have to do any cuts to it. It was like already open. Somebody had gotten to it before me, which is really weird. Let's put this right here. But hopefully they didn't open up the phone as well. Let's just see what we're looking at. Right here you can see it says HTC Desire 20 Pro. And you do see it does say, let me just put this camera right here. The HTC 20 Pro, and then you can see it says power key is right here on the side to the right. So let me just show you right now what comes inside the box right away. So you can see that it is wrapped in the plastic right there. I'm going to take out the other accessories that are included in here right now. When I take that out, you can see you get your sit and tray tool. Put that off to the side. You do get HTC card warranty, I think. MIUI stickers. You get a VIP booklet and more paperwork inside of this package as well. Let's see what else, other paperwork or limited warranty statement. All right, so that's pretty much for the contents inside this box. There's nothing hidden inside of these cartridges either, so I already checked those cartridges. Okay, those are empty, but that's how the box would look inside. And we're getting a set of headphones right here. Let me just show you what these look like. And these have the AirPods look. They're a little bit skinnier. You get your brick right here. Let's place that off to the side as well. And you get a charging type C, it looks like right here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the HTC Desire 20 Pro right here. It does have a protective film. You can actually get that off right here, and the phone just slips right out. Let me just take it out this way, or I could just peel it off. I actually ripped it, which I didn't want to do, but I'm gonna put that off to the side. Let me show you the back of the phone right here. So you do get 4 cameras on the back. I could read you the specifications from the box because they are listed here on the box right here. So right now we are getting a Snapdragon 665 8-core 64-bit chip, the 6.5 Full HD Plus display with the 1080x2340, and then the camera arrangement is the 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, plus another 2 megapixel as well. So you're getting the macro shot as well as the ultra wide and a 21 megapixel front selfie camera. This phone has 6 gigabytes of RAM on board, and we also get it does support the SD 3.0 chip as well. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery as well. It does also have Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi. It's gonna have that Wi-Fi 5, I believe. So let's give this thing some juice. Let me just show you the cameras a little bit more. And that's what the cameras look like. On the side of the phone right here, you can see the volume rockers, a nice curved design here. And this button has a nice click to it. Let's go ahead, hold down the power button. And you can see it does say HTC. It had a nice vibration to it. This side has the SIM card remover region. And then on the bottom you get Type-C, you get your speakers, and then you get a headphone jack on this device as well. It does say HTC here, and you can see the animation. The speakers do sound pretty good as well. It looks like we do get an earpiece right up top here. And on the top we do get a noise cancellation mic right there as well. So let me get this all set up for you guys, but the build quality looks really nice. Let's just take a look at the cameras in a little bit more detail. You can see this really nice baby blue color that is on the phone. So that's actually a really nice color. I think it's really beautiful, and it actually has a really nice hue to it with phone is still powering on. And I just want to show you guys that this device on Amazon is pretty affordable. It is the pretty blue color that they're saying this color is called. So that's actually pretty cool. This phone does also have 128 gigabytes of internal storage. All right, so let's take a look at the startup menu. It says right here, let's get started. You can see the punch hole on the left top corner. Doing here now, we can choose English. Okay, there we go. Let's go next, and then let's get that one. Continue, and click next. More, accept, protect your phone. Click next, and now you can see that this is the home screen right here, guys. Let's click the home interface, and here you can see that there is a little bit of bloatware. You get KK box, you get your FM radio, clock, you get this HTC app which is called Dr. iCloud, which looks like a software for cloud. You get your calendar auto forwarding app, which helps you with different, I guess, spammers nowadays. That's pretty useful. Let's go into the settings option here, and in the storage option you can see that out of the 128 gigabytes on board, they used about 21 of it, which is not bad. 21 gigabytes system wide here. And then let's go into security. So you do get the option for fingerprint here, and you also do get the option right here for updates. The software is pretty much stock Android, other than the skin that they put on top of it, which is the HTC apps. You get NFC on board on here as well. And let's just go ahead and take a look at the notification top feed here. It does have NFC on the front top. I'm trying to see if there's a dark mode implemented. Let's go into display, and you do get a dark theme here you can actually set up as well. So that's, this phone is, $299. I'm not sure how good it's gonna run, but we're definitely gonna test that out and see how that works out. And we're just gonna take a look at the camera interface. You can do zooming from the bottom here, which is actually helpful. Let's go into video. When you go into video, you can see that you get the option to switch to 4K right here. You do get full HD and HD. Right here it says long press the icon and drag it to rearrange the order. So you can change to wide angle, macro, photo, panorama, or 48 megapixel. And then they got this option right here for bokeh. So if you wanted to get bokeh shots, you could actually, let me just take a shot right here. And let me flip the camera around, take a selfie, and see how that looks. Let me take another selfie real quick. Just put that. So not too bad. It does have a slight beauty effect mode on here, but I think all phones do these days. But $299. This is the HTC Desire Pro, and let me know what you guys think. This doesn't have a texture on it, it's just all plastic, it feels like. However, it does have a pretty decent camera arrangement here for the money, and also a decent design. It has like these squared off aluminum edges right here. So the aluminum edges kind of give it a premium feel on the sides. And I'm gonna test out the speakers and everything like that and everything. So it says here you can actually set up fingerprint, but let me know if you guys are still interested in HTC devices. I know that they haven't been around for some time now, maybe like 3 years, 2 years, but you can actually get one because they actually dropped a new HTC device, which is pretty decent specs and decent price here in 2020. So I'm going to compare this to some of my other devices in the same price point. So make sure you guys stay locked in for that so we can go over the HTC in a little bit more detail. But I kind of just want to test out the speakers and see how these actually sound. So just one speaker on the bottom. Decent speaker.
What's going on, guys? It's Serrano here. Welcome back to the channel.
I've definitely seen better, but for the money, not too bad. So let me just show you guys the wallpapers here. It's pretty much stock Android with the HTC, you know, like some additional apps like KKBox and Dr. Cloud, but other than that, and the call forwarding, everything else is stock Android on here. So this is the HTC Desire 20 Pro, guys. Let me know what phones you want me to compare this up against. But other than that, this is my first impressions, and this is not a review, but make sure you stay locked in for the full reviews up and coming on the channel, and be sure to get subscribed and notified for that. But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, a like would be appreciated, and subscribe and get notified as well. And I'll see you guys later. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, later, crew. Peace.